What's up, investors and Money Talk family? Welcome to yet another BBIG video. Today, guys, we got some massive price action from BBIG, but what is going on? Is this part of the short squeeze? Has the short squeeze happened yet? Has it even started to squeeze yet? These are the things that we're going to be discussing. Plus, we're going to be talking about one more thing that is a whole lot of misinformation, and you guys need to be absolutely aware of this while holding BBIG. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything other than the YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says open an app, go to app, okay? I want you guys to press on that. It will take you directly to the YouTube app. Onto this video, it will take you out of this weird template with your Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it will make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So let it load. It might take a little bit for the open button to load, but now that you've pressed that, let's get this video on BBIG started. BBIG, aka the Big Baby, was up over 25% today, guys. That's right, 25% at around 1:45 p.m. today. But guys, that victory soon faded away, and the stock right now is up around only 15%. Speaking right now is about 4:42 while I'm recording this video. But what is happening to BBIG? What are some things that you guys need to be aware of? What are some dates for you guys to consider? And when should we expect this massive short squeeze that we've all been waiting for? Is all the things that we're going to be talking about. Okay, so what happened today? Well, today, guys, the market just flipped upside down on its head. It was nothing necessarily BBIG related necessarily, right? It wasn't anything BBIG specific. However, BBIG outperformed the market by a whole lot, okay? And from the market, I of course don't mean the S&P 500 because that's not that hard to outperform, okay? But however, I'm talking about other growth stocks. I mean, being up over 25%, I was confused as to why this stock wasn't trending on StockTwits, and I blame some of that as to StockTwits not updating the prices today. I don't know what was going on with StockTwits today, but their website kept crashing, and they kept not having the prices updated at 150, right? When BBIG was around $3.30, StockTwits was still showing $3. Okay, and you literally had to go to Google or Yahoo Finance to figure out the actual price of the stock, which made absolutely no sense. I'm guessing their trending system was also down because the message inflow in the BBIG ticker was massive today, guys. Okay, so I don't know what's going on, but anyways, the point is that we got a huge bump just from the market being up. Now, what does this mean for us? Well, this is a great sign, guys. This is a great sign that shows buyers are there. Okay, buyers are there, and the stock now seems to have found its bottom around the $2.50 levels. As you guys see, it bounced around there for December 6th, it bounced around there on December 3rd, and it bounced around there also on December 6th. Again, did I say 6 twice? I meant, yeah, maybe I did say 6 twice, okay? But yeah, so it has found its support around the $2.50, which is very good, okay? Now, it might not be good if you got in at $10. I'm sorry about that. And listen, man, that is kind of your fault, okay? That is kind of your fault, but however, it doesn't need to be a loss, right? It doesn't need to be a loss if you hold, and it doesn't need to be a loss if you learn, okay? Because it happens to everybody, right? You see a stock run for a couple of days, up 20%, up 30%, up 40%, and you're like, dude, what are the chances that it's gonna stop running the moment I buy it? Well, the chances of that are very high, my friend, okay? The chances of that are very high because you know how it goes, right? The moment you buy, the stock decides to U-turn. The moment you sell, the stock rocket to the moon, right? And that's kind of what we don't want. That's why we buy when low and we sell when the stock is running, okay? We never chase a stock. I have a personal rule, which is if the stock is up over 20%, okay? If the stock is up over 20%, or I think it's 15 actually, let me check my board. 15, yeah, 15%. I can't even find it, honestly. I can't see the writing very much from here, but I think it was 15%, 15 to 20%, let's say, on the daily. I don't even go near the stock, okay? I don't go near the stock. Then this comes from experience, okay, guys? I've been burnt in the market like a freaking piece of toast that's left in the toaster for 8 days, okay, with the toaster being on, okay? I have been burnt, guys, and but I've decided and I've learned, okay? I've learned. And now I feel very confident in the market right now, and I've been very, very profitable. Speaking of being profitable, okay, That's what we want to see from BBIG in the first quarter. Now, regarding their Cryptide spinoff, which I do believe is going to trigger the massive short squeeze, this was actually delayed to Q1. That's right, Q1. It was supposed to originally come out December, but however, the management decided to push it back to Q1. Now, this could be good, okay? This could be good because, like I said in my previous video as well, right? Like I said in my previous video, people are going to forget about Cryptide, and then when it comes back, when it makes a resurface and this whole Cryptide spinoff hype kind of comes back, people are going to be excited about it again, okay? While in the other world, like let's say if the Cryptide spinoff was delayed to maybe next week, okay, and people were like, oh yeah, next week we'll buy it, then the hype would just, the Cryptide spinoff hype would have been already outplayed, okay, whether it was this week or next week. But it being a whole quarter later, that kind of builds even more anticipation, and I expect a huge boost in price of the stock when we get closer to that Cryptide spinoff date, which is going to be announced in Q1. Now, guys, where do I see this stock going in the upcoming days is what we're going to be talking about next. But guys, before we get to that, just a quick update that we've now extended the discounted version of the Money Talk trailer program. For those that don't know what my trailer program entails, these are basically my trailers, guys, throughout the month with a 10% profits guaranteed. But however, it's important to point out, 10% is not what I'm aiming for. Okay, I'm aiming for upwards of 20 to 50% per trade. Now, however, sometimes we do fall short, so people get refunded. Maybe we are up 5%, maybe we're down like 5%, 10%, right? So people do get refunded as long as it is below 10%, okay? But however, it's also important to point out, like I said, you know, I don't know why I keep saying but however, but no, seriously though, however, I'm not aiming for 10% because people get that confused all the time. They think I'm just here trading pennies, okay? Like I'm a penny flipper. No. Just because something is guaranteed, that's for you guys to feel safe, not for me to be like, oh no, I don't, 2% here, 1% here. No, okay, big boy plays here. That's all we talk about. And we also have a $20 a month lottery, 1 out of 25 chances. So make sure you guys check that out. The link will be in the comments. It is the pinned comment. Okay. So let's get also it comes one more thing. It comes with an exclusive Discord community, and you also get one-on-one direct message access to the man himself, Money Talk. So if you have any questions, if you want to talk to me about anything, you know, maybe about your investments, maybe about some certain stocks and etc., you guys get to talk to me. And also, guys, the $20 version and the $30 version also comes with a when my course drops next month, my course on the perfect penny picking, I'm gonna call it the Penny Picking Pro course. You guys let me know if that sounds good, right? Or not. But that's what I'm gonna call it. And basically these are gonna be my my teachings that I've learned, right? My teachings to you guys that from the lessons that I've learned trading penny stocks and how I managed to pick penny stocks that have 10x and 100x previously, okay? Neo being a great example of them, okay, guys? I mean, the gains I made from Neo from 2019 to 2020, yeah, I would say it was 2020. That's when I decided to sell. They were crazy, okay? But how did I do that? How was I able to get the needle out of the haystack, right? Because as we know, the penny stock market is filled with just rubbish, okay? And you guys can lock that course in if you sign up for the Discord community and for the trailer program, okay, guys? The course is coming out next month in January, okay? It's going to cost, I'm planning on costing it around maybe $120, maybe, I'm thinking, right? And also, you guys will get it for free if you're part of the trailer community. So check that out. Now, where is BBIG headed from here? Well, it depends, guys. It depends how the market is moving, right, guys? Because like I said, today's huge bump was nothing BBIG necessarily related. But however, if the market continues going up and climbing back to its all-time highs, then we will absolutely see the same thing. Now, what is the thing that I say you guys need to be aware of? Well, that's these articles, right? This article that came out today from Investor Place, right, which is more like Cuck Place, I would like to call it. It says, don't count on a short squeeze to save Vinco Ventures. Okay, so why does it say that? That's because these guys are guns for hire. Okay, Investor Place, Seeking Alpha, freaking The Motley Fool, all these articles, uh, industry, okay, all the article industry is simply just guns for hire for the shorts. That's all they are. That's all there. Do not take a thing these guys say literally. Do not even, like, literally block it out, okay? Block it out. Especially the Motley Fool. I mean, the Motley Fool is literally in bed with Citadel and freaking every other hedge fund ever, okay? And that's why you see every single article that the Motley Fool has regarding AMC is all bearish, right? I mean, AMC would be going from $30 to $80, and freaking, what do you call it? Freaking Motley Fool would somehow manipulate the narrative as to why AMC is losing investors' money. Right? I mean, it would be, they would use the argument that it's raining outside. Guys, it's raining outside. The weather's going to look very bad. Theaters are going to shut up. No one's going to show up to theater. Like, shut up. What are you talking about? Just makes me so mad, man. It makes me so upset, and it makes me even more upset when people fall for these clickbait articles like this one that reads, "Don't count on a short squeeze to save Vinco Ventures stock," because you guys should absolutely understand and factor in the short squeeze possibility for this stock when you are holding it, okay, and when you're buying it as well. Now, if you're planning on buying it, I do believe that we could potentially fall back to that $2.60, $2.50 levels, right, at support. So maybe you guys want to kind of buy there, because I do predict that the market is going to be bloody in the upcoming months of 2022. Okay, so with that being said, keep that in mind, guys. That's my 2 cents on what is happening right now. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what you guys think. Am I right about these articles all being guns for hire and all? Well, I know I'm right, but I just want to hear you guys tell me I'm right, okay? And also, no, I'm just joking, of course. I wanna hear from you guys. That's all I'm saying, okay? Leave a comment down below. I will absolutely reply to every single comment. Even if you're a hater, I will hate on me with you. So that's that. Okay, with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Happy investing. Hold strong, apes. Money talk.